Welcome back to the news at 9. In today's Health Yes with Genesee Health Plan, we're talking about what Genesee Health Plan is and how it covers preventative services for its members. So joining me now, Jim Melanowski, who is a familiar face here at TV5. He is president and CEO of Genesee Health Plan, and Marcus Beef, a new face this morning. He is a GHP member. Thanks to both of you for being here. You know, we've talked about a lot of the different scenarios, different medications, doctors, but kind of we're just going back to the roots now. You know,
Absolutely.
What is Genesee Health Plan?
Well, Sarah, Genesee Health Plan is a nonprofit organization that, number one, provides health care coverage for the uninsured, people who aren't offered health insurance at their work or might have lost a job or are working 2 or 3 jobs and their employer doesn't offer it. And we also are the central place to go for healthcare. Healthcare can be very, very confusing. And so we're the place to go if someone is uninsured or they have questions about healthcare, and then we can get them linked up to health coverage or to resources in the community that will help them.
Yeah, and how is this provided? You know, how do you pay for this?
Well, it's covered under a millage, a property tax millage in Genesee County, and it was first passed in 2006. It was renewed in 2012, and we're going to be on the ballot here in November to have it renewed again.
Okay, awesome. Now, Marcus, I want to talk to you a little bit. You know, you benefit from this. So
Yeah.
tell us about your story with Genesee Health Plan, your experience.
I'm one of those people, I think there's a lot of people like me that are really paring down their budget, trying to figure out where money should go. And my health insurance was about $250 a month and really didn't do a whole lot of anything for me. And that was one of the things I was looking at. And I actually had a friend in the public health field that said, you need to talk to the GHP people because they can probably help you out. So once I did that, I've been locked in since. It's been great.
So was it a tough process, or did it? I mean, was it kind of seamless?
No, it was absolutely not tough at all. I walked in, talked to some people, filled out some paperwork. I had to verify a couple things, and I was good to go.
So
It's like Staples, healthcare easy, the easy button.
the easy button.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what the Genesee Health Plan is, right?
Yes.
You know, so tell me a little bit about what is covered by GHP. We talked about mammograms, preventive services, a lot of things that we have spoken with over the course of time with you guys that say, you know, this really saved my life because I wouldn't have known about this.
Absolutely. So we covered the doctor visit. We want you to establish a primary care. So you can see a doctor. If the doctor refers you to a specialist, if he finds something wrong, you can go to the specialist. You can get medications. You can get procedures done in an outpatient setting, dental, mental health. We basically cover all except really the costly hospital stays and so forth. We just can't do that.
Right.
Yeah.
But this covers, have you noticed, I mean, medications, regular visits, things like that?
Yeah, before I was paying like $30, $40 to go to the doctor just to I have a cough, I should go to the doctor, that kind of stuff. And I really didn't have it in my budget to be okay with that. So now that GHP is here, I can actually feel comfortable doing stuff and making sure I go get that preventative care and make sure that I stay on the right track.
He makes a good point. Normally, and I'm bad, and even though I preach preventative, I go to the doctor a lot of times just if I'm sick.
That's how it always goes.
Absolutely. And so what we're really trying to encourage is preventative. That, you know, like for instance, I'm a father, and I'm a boss at work, and it's really hypocritical for me to say that I'm a good father, I'm a good boss, if I can't take care of myself, or if I get sick, what am I going to do to help my family?
Everybody else,
Absolutely. So I need to take those steps to make sure that I'm healthy and do those preventative exams and evaluations so that I can maintain my health, so that I can be functional and help others. So.
Right. Wonderful. All right. Well, thank you so much both for being here. If you want more information about Genesee Health Plan, you can log on to our Facebook page right after the news at 9. These folks are going to be there live answering any questions you may have.